In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently pin Microsoft Office applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to your Windows taskbar for quicker access. This process is remarkably simple, and in just a few steps, you'll have your most used applications just a click away at the bottom of your screen. This is especially helpful if you frequently work with these programs and want to save a bit of time rummaging through your Start menu or desktop shortcuts. To get started, we first need to open the Windows search bar. You'll typically find this at the bottom left corner of your screen, right next to the Start button. Once you've located the search bar, click on it. Here, you can enter the name of the application you wish to pin, starting with Word. Simply type Word into the search field, and in the search results list, you should see Microsoft Word appear as an app choice. Once you see the Word application icon in the search results, move your mouse over to it and give it a right click. A list of options will come up. Look for the selection that says Pin to Taskbar. By clicking this option, Word will instantly be added to your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. This means that you can now open Word anytime you want with just a single click, which can make your workflow a lot more seamless. Next, let's move on to Excel and PowerPoint. The process is exactly the same for these applications, so don't worry about having to learn anything new. Again, click on your Windows search bar and type in Excel. Once you see Microsoft Excel pop up in the results, right-click the icon and choose Pin to Taskbar. You'll notice it slides right into place alongside Word. Finally, let's add PowerPoint to the taskbar. Type PowerPoint into that trusty search bar. Once it shows up, follow the same steps. Right-click on the icon and select Pin to Taskbar. By doing so, your taskbar now hosts icons for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, all eagerly waiting to assist you in your various document editing endeavors. And there you have it. You've now successfully pinned Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to your taskbar, providing you easy, one-click access to these vital applications. This small adjustment can save you time and make it considerably easier to multitask. Whether you're drafting documents, managing spreadsheets, or preparing presentations, your tools are always within arm's reach. Embrace this small change to streamline your daily tasks and enjoy the productivity boost it brings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions or need further assistance.